I'm not. I'm just filming.
It's a smoke bomb.
It's got all kinds of unburned firecrackers.
Oh, like half the firecrackers didn't explode. No shoot! Look out!
Jeez! Oh yeah, that was the engine.
One went over my head like that.
Man, you're lucky you didn't get drilled. There's the propeller right there. It didn't hold.
That was awesome!
That was scary.
That was just an engine that went way out there.
Yeah.
What happened to the actual... Matthew, it's right there!
Redneck's last words were.
Hold my beer and watch this.
Oh, what?
What the redneck?
Where's the thing, Andrew?
What?
You got to get just a little farther away than that, Greg.
Get on back, guys. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh!